Got legal questions that keep you up at night? Wondering if there's a simpler, more affordable way to handle contracts, business formations, or even just get some quick legal advice without the astronomical fees? If so, then you're exactly where you need to be. For years, the legal world has felt like an exclusive club, accessible only to those with deep pockets or an existing network of high-powered attorneys. The perception is that getting even the most basic legal document drawn up requires a significant investment of time and money. And let's be honest, for many small business owners, freelancers, and even individuals navigating personal legal matters, that traditional route just isn't feasible. The sheer thought of hourly billing, retainer fees, and the often intimidating legal jargon can be enough to deter people from seeking the legal protection they truly need. This is a significant problem because ignoring legalities can lead to far greater issues down the line, costly mistakes, disputes, and even legal battles that could have been easily avoided with the right foresight and documentation. That's where platforms like Rocket Lawyer step in, promising to democratize legal services and make them accessible to everyone. But do they actually deliver on that promise? Can an online platform truly replace the nuanced advice of a traditional lawyer? Or is it just a convenient but ultimately limited tool? Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive Rocket Lawyer review, exploring everything from its core features and pricing to its user experience and the real-world value it provides. We'll be looking at who Rocket Lawyer is best for, its strengths, its weaknesses, and ultimately, if it's the right solution for your legal needs. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Rocket Lawyer is the legal game-changer it claims to be. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Rocket Lawyer? At its heart, Rocket Lawyer is an online legal technology company that offers a suite of services designed to help individuals and small businesses handle common legal tasks without necessarily hiring a traditional attorney for every single step. Think of it as a hybrid model, combining DIY legal document creation with access to on-demand legal advice. Their main offerings can generally be categorized into a few key areas. First, and perhaps most widely known, is their extensive library of legal documents and forms. We're talking about everything from standard business contracts like non-disclosure agreements, independent contractor agreements, and bills of sale, to personal legal documents such as wills, living trusts, and power of attorney forms. The beauty here is that these aren't just generic templates. Rocket Lawyer guides you through a step-by-step process, asking relevant questions to customize the document to your specific needs. This interactive questionnaire approach helps ensure that the final document reflects your unique situation, minimizing the risk of errors or omissions that could undermine its validity. Second, Rocket Lawyer provides access to legal advice. This is a significant differentiator from many other online document services. Through their platform, you can submit legal questions and receive responses from on-call attorneys. They also offer a feature where you can schedule a 30-minute consultation with an attorney for new legal matters. This live interaction can be incredibly valuable for clarifying complex issues, getting personalized guidance, and understanding the nuances that a simple document template might not cover. It bridges the gap between purely DIY solutions and full-service legal representation. Third, Rocket Lawyer assists with business formation services. If you're looking to start a new business, they can help you incorporate, form an LLC, or set up other business structures. This includes preparing and filing the necessary paperwork with the relevant state authorities. For many aspiring entrepreneurs, navigating the intricacies of business registration can be daunting, and Rocket Lawyer streamlines this process considerably. Fourth, they offer registered agent services. For businesses, particularly LLCs and corporations, having a registered agent is a legal requirement. Rocket Lawyer can act as your registered agent, ensuring that important legal and tax documents are received and processed correctly. This is a crucial compliance service that many businesses often overlook until it becomes a problem. Now, let's talk about the user experience. One of Rocket Lawyer's biggest strengths is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. The website is clean, easy to navigate, and the document creation process is remarkably straightforward, even for those with no prior legal experience. The questions asked during document generation are typically clear and concise, guiding you logically through the information needed. This ease of use significantly lowers the barrier to entry for managing your own legal affairs. But of course, no service is perfect, and Rocket Lawyer does have its limitations. While the access to attorneys is a huge plus, it's important to understand the scope of that advice. The consultations are generally for new legal matters and are typically introductory. For ongoing legal representation or highly complex litigation, you would still likely need to retain a traditional law firm. Rocket Lawyer is designed to empower you with foundational legal tools and advice, not to replace the need for specialized legal counsel in every scenario. Another point to consider is the pricing model. Rocket Lawyer operates on a membership basis. While they offer a free trial, to unlock the full suite of features, unlimited documents, access to attorneys, and registered agent services, you'll need to subscribe to their premium membership. It's essential to evaluate whether the cost of the membership aligns with the frequency and complexity of your legal needs. For individuals or businesses with sporadic legal requirements, paying a monthly subscription might not always be the most cost-effective option compared to paying for individual documents or consultations as needed. However, for those with ongoing needs, such as small businesses that frequently need contracts or advice, the membership can offer significant savings compared to traditional legal fees. Who is Rocket Lawyer best for? I'd say it's an excellent fit for small business owners and startups who need to draft various contracts, form their business entities, and occasionally consult with an attorney on general legal matters. It's also incredibly useful for individuals looking to create essential estate planning documents like wills and trusts without incurring substantial legal fees. Freelancers who frequently sign contracts or need basic legal protection for their services will also find it invaluable. Essentially, if you have recurring, relatively straightforward legal needs and are comfortable with a certain level of DIY, Rocket Lawyer can be a powerful tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.